Hey everyone, my name is Nancy with Karo Startup, and in today's video we are going to talk about types of investors. How many types of investors are available in startup? So if you want to know how many types of investors are included in startups, then please continue watching. An investor is a market participant who purchases share of a company for a long-term and firm perspective. They look at companies' financial strength and share value. There is an immense variety of different types of investors for funding these startups. There are 5 common types of investors in startups. And first on my list is angel investors. Angel investors are generally wealthy entrepreneurs. They mainly focus on startups that have difficulty in gaining access to financing traditional firm and budding entrepreneurs who work on the product to give new directions to the industries and sector operation. Many angel investors are outstanding entrepreneurs themselves as well as business professionals and corporate leaders. They can be individual professionals such as lawyer, doctor and entrepreneurs etc. Angel investors look for business plans that are both complete and convincing, consisting of detailed marketing plan, financial project and certainty about the target market. Now let me tell you a few most essential things about the angel investors. Angel investors, the foremost thing is passion and commitment of the founders. They love straightforward thought process for the business. Reasonable terms matters to them, so they consider appropriate valuation. They prefer unique technology or intellectual property. A typical angel investor's investment is $25,000 to $100,000 in a company, but also can go higher. India's leading angel investors are all from background and sectors. Sanjay Mehta, an entrepreneur and an angel investor who invested in around 103 startup company, is one of the leading one to mark Indian startup ecosystem. Few others are Bharat Banka, founder and CEO of Aditya Birla Groups. Now let's see the advantages of working with angel investors. Angel investors are high risk takers. In a few cases, if a startup fails and the service or product did not get an adoption, angel investors did not pay it back. The best part is that angel investors are experienced business person with many years of experience. Now let's see second type of investors, which is venture capitalists. Venture capitalists is defined by the large investment in business venture, providing capital for the startups and expansion. Well-heeled investors often invest their money in the business with indelible growth opportunities. The infused capital is known as venture capital and the investors are known as VCS. This venture capital look for higher return rate which they could earn through other investment vehicles such as stock market. Venture capital firm acquires investment capitals from insurance company, venture funds and healthy investors. A strong team of analysts is appointed to make decisions regarding the business whether to invest or not. Venture capitalists look for high growth rather than stable and safe company. They tend to analyze their investment multiplication by 10 within 7 years. Just an estimate. Alright, so now let's see how do venture capitalists work. Investment by venture capitalists is a kind of equity financing. Venture capitalist investors supply money in exchange for equity position in the company. Venture capitalists invest in the businesses from a long-term view. They stick with young businesses up to the time it's mature to a point where its equity share have value and a point where the company goes public. Venture capitalist investors generally exit at this point. They enjoy huge profit since they invested in the now public company when it was just a beginner startup. Now let's talk about the third type of investor, which is personal investor. Personal investors invest their own money in a financial market and are not working with any financial institution or financial need. They are essential for new companies looking to increase their startup capitals. They mainly make many investments and also know that not all the assets are going to be successful. They are generally profitable entrepreneurs, hence they can understand our concerns as well. Personal investors invest their money in all types of business ideas such as real estate properties, craft shops, consulting, catering, retail, beauty, interior design, online companies and others. They are likely to accept a position-based location, target and pursue. They prefer spending their money on the company located near their workplace, residence or around 50 miles in their reach. Let's see few most important things about personal investors. They are already ready to face investment risk and capital loss. They don't need to be wealthy. Personal investors are significant funding source than other source. Affinity and loyalty decides their potential long-term investment. Let's see about our fourth type of investor, which is bank as investor. Few small businesses look for bank loan to help with startup. Companies looking for loans may have to provide security such as startup cash and home equity loans. The bank provides two types of financing for businesses, which are working capital loan and funding. Bank look for complete detailed description of the company, a description of business's core service product, the estimate financial projection, plans for goal implementation and management projection. Regulated by certified development companies, the 504 loan programs provide approved small businesses with long-term fixed rate financing used to acquire fixed assets for modernization and expansion. 504 loan operations helps the startups to widen operation and bring them up to modern standards through purchases and improving in building or land, innovation of existing facilities, machinery purchases, construction or modernization of facilities, and debate refinancing. Banks such as Yes Bank provide loans to small businesses. HDFC Bank offers working capital loan, term loan, and business loans to provide financial assistance to small businesses and startups. So now let's talk about our fifth and last type of investor, which is peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is in popularity and is continuously growing as new startups don't have to rely on big banks. Many investors in peer-to-peer loans get double-digit return. Peer-to-peer platform investment provides you more control over their specific investment. Borrowers can select notes based on certain criteria. That includes loan term, loan type, debt to income ratio, and credit score range. Startup focused on peer-to-peer lending evolves a business plan and storyline that shares their key achievement and progress, including market research, financial forecasting, and industrial analysis. Now let's look at how peer-to-peer investors platform works. So the people invests directly in the loan taken by the borrowers on this platform. Borrowers come to the lending site and fill the loan application, including the amount of the loan and the purpose of taking the loan. They decide which loan they are interested in after the information reaches the prospective investors. Loans are priced at credit grade. They are usually no less than a dozen grades. Rates depends on numerous factors such as borrower's credit score, borrower's income, which is also known as debt to income ratio, borrower's amount, and the purpose of taking the loan and the loan terms. This is all I had for you all today. If you find this video informative, please subscribe to this channel and please share this video as much as you can. Like this video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.